Okay. Seventh instruction in arithmetic instruction set. Seventh one, SUB or. SUB or means to subtract the two 8-bit data. Data 1 in always accumulator. The second data will be any one of the 6 general purpose register or accumulator. Example, SUBC. SUBC means subtract accumulator. SUB is always to subtract the accumulator content with given register content. Data 1 in always accumulator. The second data will be the given register A minus C, and result always to store in the A register. Example, A equal to 96 and C register equal to 24H. Now to subtract these two, 96 1 0 0 1, 6 means 0 1 1 0, and C register 24 0 0 1 0 2, 4 means 0 1 0 0. Now to subtract these two, 0 minus 0 0, 1 minus 0 1, 1 minus 1 0, 0 minus 0 0, 1 minus 0 0, and 0 minus 1. 0 minus 1 we cannot subtract, so we can get the borrow from here. This is for 1 0. Now subtract with 1. 2 minus 1 1 1, and here 0. This is for to consider as 1. 1 minus 0 1, and here 0. Now result 6. This is for 2. 62 in A register. 62 in A register. That is 96 minus C register 24, and then result to move in accumulator 62. This is for A register. This is also A register. This is for C register. SUB or means to subtract the two 8-bit data. Data 1 in always accumulator. The second data will be the given register content. That is C, and result always to store in the accumulator itself. Okay. Next, 8th instruction, SUBM. SUBM means to subtract the accumulator data with memory address location data. Accumulator minus memory address, or the memory will be initialized in HL register pack. Now to subtract these two and result to store in accumulator. Example, A register 94H and memory address location data 53H. Before that, we have to initialize which one for memory. For that, you can use LXI H, 8502H. 8502H. This is the n number of memory address location. Okay. Start with 8500, 8501, and 8502. This is for 06. This is for 97, and 8502 53. Okay. Now LXI H, 8502 means this is for L register and this is for H register. These two represent for memory. Now 8502 is called memory address. In this address location, data will be 53. Now to subtract accumulated data with memory address location data. Okay. Now accumulator 941001. 4 means 0100 and 53 means 5101. 3 means 0011. Now to subtract these two, 0 minus 1 we cannot subtract, so we can get borrow from here. Now this is for 10. 10 means 2. 2 minus 1, 1. Now this is for 1. And here the carry will be moved to here. This is for 2's and this is for 1's. Now this is for to consider as 1. 1 minus 1, 0. And here 0 will be available. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. 0 minus 0. And 0 minus 1 we cannot subtract. So get from borrow here. Now this is for to consider as 10. 10 means 2. 2 minus 1, 1. And here 0. 0 minus 0, 0. This is for 4 and this is for 1. Now to subtract these two data, accumulated data 94 subtract with 53 and result to move register A accumulator 41. This is for A register and this is for memory address location data and result to move accumulator. Now accumulator will be 41. Here SUB R and this is for SUB M. Both are subtract. Both are to subtract the two 8-bit data. Data 1 in always accumulator. Both data 1 will be accumulator. The second data will be either register or memory address location. Memory address location. Okay. Next, 9th instruction, SUI 8-bit data. Here SUI means subtract immediately given 8-bit data. Here subtract accumulator with immediately given 8-bit data. Example, SUI D7H. SUI D7H. Here SU means always subtract accumulator with immediately given 8-bit data. Suppose here accumulated data F of immediately given data D7. Okay. Now the corresponding binary value 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. D means A 10, 11, 12, 13. A B C D 13. The corresponding binary value 1 1 0 1 and 7 0 1 1 1. A 10, B 11, C 12 and D 13. Now to subtract these two data, 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 0 1, 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 0 1, 1 minus 0, 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1 0. Now result 2 8. Here SUI means subtract accumulator content and immediately given 8-bit data. That result always to store in accumulator content. Here the accumulator data F of data subtract with D7 and then result to move always accumulator 20 in H. This is the operation of SUI 8-bit data. SUB or SUBM, SUI 8-bit data. All the three instructions to subtract 8-bit data data 1 in always accumulator data 1, and the second data will be either register or memory address location data or immediately given 8-bit data. Now to subtract these two data and result always to store in accumulator. Okay, all the three instructions to subtract the two 8-bit data without borrow status. Next one, 10th instruction, SBBR. SBBR. This is for to subtract two 8-bit data, data 1 in accumulator and data 2 given register content, and subtract with borrow status. Borrow status. When we can use this instruction is suppose to subtract two 16-bit data. This is for 07 and this is for 06, this is for 05 and this is for 08. This is for data 1 and this is for data 2. This is for 16-bit data and this is also 16-bit data. First, we have to subtract the two 8-bit data. That is to subtract the two LSB 8-bit data. Data 1 LSB, data 2 LSB. At that time, we can use SUBR instruction. SUBR or SUBM are immediately given 8-bit data. So, data 1 in always accumulator, the second data will be either register or memory address location data or immediately given 8-bit data. Now to subtract these two, at that time we can use SUB or memory or immediately given 8-bit data. Now 06 minus 08, we cannot subtract, so accumulated data minus registered data. So accumulated data always it should be large, so we cannot subtract. At that time we have to get some borrow from here. You have to get some borrow from here. Now the 07 it will be changed into 06. Okay. Now to subtract these two, at that time we can use this type of instruction. SBB or means data 1 in accumulator. The second data will be either register or memory or immediately given 8-bit data. And with borrow also, if borrow, okay, if borrow means you have to subtract with 01 or no borrow means, okay, no borrow to move LSB, okay, at that time we can subtract with 00, okay, we can use here SBB instruction. Here we can use SUB instruction. This is for subtract without borrow status. And here we have to subtract with the borrow status also. If borrow means we can subtract with 01. No borrow means we can subtract with 00. Okay. Here SBB or means we have to subtract accumulated data minus registered data and minus borrow status. If any borrow means we have to subtract with 1 or no borrow means we have to subtract with 0. That result always to store in accumulator. Okay. Example SBBC. SBBC. Okay. And A register 96 and C register 94 and borrow 1. Now to subtract all the three data, always accumulator minus register content with borrow status. Okay. Now A register data minus C register data minus borrow status. Now to subtract all the three data and the result always to move with accumulator. Accumulator 96, 96, 1001, 0110. Next C register 94, 1001, 0100. Borrow 01. Borrow equal to 01, 00000001. If any borrow means you have to subtract with borrow also. No borrow means we can subtract with 0. 0, 0, 1. Okay? We cannot subtract with this one. So we have to get borrow from here. So this is for 2. First we have to subtract with these two. That result we can subtract with this one. Okay? And this is for 96 and this is for 94. First we have to subtract these two data. That result subtract with borrow. Okay? And finally we can get the result 01. This is the format for we can subtract accumulator content register with borrow status. If borrow means we have to subtract with 1. If no borrow means we have to subtract with 0. Next, 11th instruction. S, U, S, B, B, M. S, B, B, M is subtract accumulator memory address location data with borrow status. With borrow status. Accumulator minus memory address location data or HL register path address location data and minus borrow status. Borrow status. Result always to move register A. Okay. Example, A register 47 and memory address location data. The memory address will be initialized in HL register path. First we have to represent what is the memory address. LXI H, 4503H. 4503H. This is for load in L register and this is for load in H register. These two represent for memory address. These two represent for memory address. In this address location, some 8-bit data will be there. That 8-bit data you have to subtract with accumulator and borrow status and the result to move accumulator. Okay. Now this is the number of memory address location 4500, 4501, 4502, 4503, 4504. This is for 4501, 4502 and 4503 and 4504. Okay, this is for 7, 9, 3, 2, 5. Okay. Now subtract accumulator memory address location data with borrow status. That result to move accumulator. Here accumulator data 47 and memory address here initialized for HL register path. Address is 4503. This is called memory address. 4503 is a memory address. In this address location 02 data will be available. So we have to subtract with the accumulator data. Accumulator 47, 0, 1, 0, 0 and 7 means 0, 1, 1, 1. And memory address location data memory address location data 0 2. Now 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 0. Now to subtract these two. 1 minus 0 1, 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 0 0 1, 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0, 1 minus 0 1, 0 minus 0. This result subtract with a borrow. Suppose borrow equal to 0. No borrow. No borrow means we have to subtract with a borrow. Suppose any borrow means we have to subtract with 0 1. So no borrow means now result 1 0 1 0 0 0 1 0. Now result 4 5. 4 5 in accumulator. Now accumulator will be stored in 45 H. That is accumulator 47 minus memory address location data 0 2 and borrow will be 0. Now result to move accumulator 45. This is for A register and this is also A register and this is for memory address location data and this is for borrow status. Okay. Next 12th instruction. SBI 8-bit data. SBI 8-bit data. Here SBI means subtract accumulator immediately given data with borrow status. With borrow status. Accumulated data minus immediately given 8-bit data and then borrow status, that's result to move accumulator. Okay, in accumulator 57H and immediately given 8-bit data 25H. Suppose borrow equal to 1. First to subtract these two data or we can subtract these two data also. Okay. That result we can subtract with the A register. First we can subtract these two data, that is A equal to 57 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 and 25 means 0 0 1 0 0 1 0 1. Now to subtract these two 1 minus 1 0 1 minus 0 1 1 minus 1 0 0 minus 0 1 minus 0 1. Here 0 minus 1 we cannot subtract, we have to get borrow from here. This is 1 0 1 0 means 2 2 minus 1 1 and 1. Here the 1 will be moved to here and here will be 0. That is 0 minus 0 0 and 0 minus 0 0. Now result this one subtract with a borrow. Now borrow equal to suppose 0 1. We have to subtract with a 0 1. 0 minus 1 we cannot subtract, so we have to get borrow from here. This is for 1 0 means 2 2 minus 1 1 and here 0 0 will be available. 0 minus 0 0 0 minus 0 0 minus 0 1 minus 0 1 minus 0 1 1 minus 0 1 0 minus 0 0 minus 0 0. This is for 3 and this is for 1. Now example SBI immediately given data 25H. Okay, accumulator 57 borrow 01, that is accumulated data minus 25 if any borrow is 01 here and the result to move A register. Now accumulated data 57 subtract with 25, that result subtract with 01 and finally result to move 31 in accumulator. Okay, here SBBR SBB BM, SBI, 8-bit data. All the three instructions subtract to 8-bit data. Data 1 in always accumulator. The second data will be either register content or memory address location data or immediately given 8-bit data with borrow status. If borrow means we have to subtract with 0, 1. No borrow means we have to subtract with 0, 0. SUB means we have to subtract without borrow. SGB means we have to subtract with borrow status. Okay? Thank you. Next, 13th instruction. 13th instruction, INR or INR or. Here INR or means increment 8-bit register content. Given 8-bit register content. Increment the 8-bit register content. Example, here or means any general purpose registers. General purpose registers. What are the general purpose registers? Means B, C, D, E, H and L and accumulator also. Okay. Total 6 general purpose register and accumulator. Okay. All the 7 register 8-bit register. All the 7 register 8-bit register. Here INR or means we have to increment the 8-bit register content. 8-bit register content single times. Single times. Example, INR C. INR C. Here C equal to 07H. C equal to 07H. Before execute this instruction, C equal to 07. Now to give the INR C instruction, INR C means the C register content increment single times. Increment means we have to add with a 0, 1. Whatever data in C register we have to add with 0, 1. That result always to move the given register. Here the given register what? C. Now result will be moved into that register. Now C data at present 0, 7. 0, 7 means 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. Okay. Next, add with the 0, 1. Increment means we have to add with the register content 0, 1. Now 0, 1 we have to add 1, 1, 0 and carry 1, 1, 1, 0 and carry 1, 1, 1, 0 and carry 1, 1, 0, 0 means 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Now result 0, 8. This is for 0, 7 plus 0, 1 and the C register will move into 0, 8. This is for increment any 8-bit register content. Any 8-bit register content and the result always to move the given register. Okay. The result always to move the given register. This is for increment the register content. After this instruction execute, now C register will be available 08 instead of 07. Okay. Here the C equal to 07 means before execute. After INR instruction execute. After INR C instruction execute means it will increment the C register content single times. Now C equal to 0, 8. Okay. We have to increment the any register content. Any register content. 6 general purpose register and 1 accumulator content. Total 7 8-bit register. 7 8-bit register. We have to increment the 7 8-bit register content single times. At that time we can use this type of instruction. Okay. Next one. 14. INX RP. INX RP. Here the INX RP means increment the register pair content. This is for increment the register content. Okay, it will increment the 8-bit register data. And this is for to increment the register pair content. What are the register pairs available in 8085 microprocessor is BC, DE and HL. Okay, there are 3 register pairs available: BC register pair, DE register pair and HL register pair. Here INX RP means register pair content increment single times and the result to move always the given register pair itself. Okay. Example LXI H comma 8506H. 8506H. This is for L register and this is for H register. This is for memory. Okay. Now the memory address will be 8506. If you want to increment the HL register per content single times. Okay, any register per either BC, DE or HL. Okay, at that time we can use this type of instruction. Example LXI H comma 8506. Now L register 06 and H register 85. Now to increment the HL register pair content single times, at the time we can use INX H. INX H means it will increment the HL register pair content single times and result to move the given register pair content. Here the given register pair is HL. HL 8505, 8506. We can add with the 0 means we have to add with the lower byte. We have to add with the lower byte. 61700505808. Now this is for L register and this is for H register. After this instruction execute, now HL register pair content will be available 8507. Here before 8506 plus 01 and the result to move HL. HL the result is 8507. This is the increment the register pair content single times. This is for increment the register content. 8-bit register content will be increment single times. And this is for increment the 16-bit or register pair content. Register pair content. Either BC, DE and HL register pair content. And the result always to move the given register pair. Okay.